Hey, my name is Marvin. I'm a technical support engineer and DevOps at Resolution. So basically that means I spend my days helping customers untangle user management licensing and migration chaos, and occasionally explaining for the fifth time why active user doesn't mean people who exist in LDAP. In this video, I will show you how to simulate your future Jira Cloud license size before you migrate, using real data from your data center instance, not guessing around. And yes, this saves money, which usually gets management attention pretty fast.
This is my time. I'm on the rise. Can't hold me down, I'm too fly. This is my time. Ready to shine, brighter than all of the lights. 'Cause when it's game time.
So let me start with a simple question. How many Jira Cloud users will you need after migration? If your answer is something like same as today, roughly our current license, or my personal favorite, we will clean it up later. Then this video is for you, because cloud licensing is different. In data center, unused users are annoying. In cloud, unused users are expensive. And many customers only realize that after the first cloud invoice arrives. Here is why this happens. In Jira Data Center, licenses are often managed generally. Former employees stay active. External users keep access just in case, or technical accounts are licensed. And inactive users are ignored because, well, nothing breaks. But cloud doesn't care why a user exists. If a user is active, you pay. We regularly see customers migrate with 5,000 licensed users, but only 2,500 users who actually log in. That's not a small difference. That could be a budget problem. The good news, you don't have to guess. You can simulate your cloud license needs today before migrating, and you can do it directly in your data center instance using our user deactivator app. The idea here is simple. Identify inactive users, temporarily deactivate them in bulk, observe how your license count changes, and ask, what would this look like in cloud? No migration is required. No cloud site is even needed, just real numbers. We will start in your data center instance. So let's jump into a Jira data center instance. And this is important again. We are not changing cloud behavior. We are simulating cloud reality inside data center. So with user deactivator, you can filter users based on the time since last activity. Like you have periods, examples like more than 2 weeks or more than 3 weeks or even more than 6 months. You can also filter for the user status, only select active or inactive or any users. Using this bulk operations, we can select or find users who match these criteria here. So now we have created a filter based on this time since last activity. It's more than 3 months. And now we can select all users we want to select, or we can also use select all users. Depends a bit on your setup. And now we can choose a bulk action here to deactivate all users. So the great thing here is nothing is deleted, nothing is permanent. You can always reverse this, but your license count updates immediately. Just choose deactivate and let this action run. Now, let's look at another example. Not visible in here, my lab instance, but just imagine you have 3,000 licenses before. After deactivating users which were inactive for 19 days, you have only 2,100 licensed users. If you change the filter for 118 days inactivity, it's only 1,900 users. Which of these numbers reflect your real cloud usage? Because in cloud, every one of those users would be billed every month automatically. This is your cloud simulation, not based on organizational charts, old group structures, or optimistic assumptions, but on actual usage data. You can now say, if we migrate as is, we pay for 3,000 users. If we clean up first, we pay for only 2,000. That difference is not theoretical, it's measurable, and it's really, really useful in front of management. So here's a key takeaway. Go into cloud migration with real numbers, not guesses, before you migrate. Clean up inactive users. Simulate cloud licensing in data center. Yeah, really understand your true user base. User deactivator helps you. It will reduce license waste, build a realistic cloud cost estimate, and it will avoid expensive surprises after migration. If you're planning a data center cloud move, start with your users. Check out the documentation, try bulk deactivation, and simulate your future cloud license size today. Your finance team will thank you, and future you will too. So thanks for watching and happy migrating.
This is my time. I'm on the rise. Can't hold me down, I'm too fly. This is my time. Ready to shine.